How much does probate cost? This is a big question people always ask me when they call because they need a probate and they're worried about the cost. First of all, let me tell you that most of the time, any probate attorney fees are going to be paid out at the end of probate through the estate. They're not going to be paid by you as an heir or an executor or an administrator. They should be paid out by the estate because the probate attorney represents the estate and the administrator of the estate. So, generally speaking, in Nevada, you aren't going to be paying fees up front. Of course, there's some exceptions to this, but let me go into generally how much a probate costs. It depends on what level of probate you're in. That will dictate the type of costs and fees you're going to have to handle. The first level of probate is called a set-aside estate. So that's for all probates under $150,000. Normally, attorneys are going to charge a flat fee of a couple $1,000s for that type of probate. The next level up is summary administration. That one is it's going to take longer and it's going to cost more money. That's for all probates between $150,000 and $500,000. In that level, attorneys are generally charging statutory fees. What are statutory fees? Statutory fees are fees prescribed by Nevada statute that you can charge as a lawyer for probate. They're basically a percentage of the estate's value. So you're going to want to look into that, but it's something that we go to the statute for, and that's how we charge. Once you're in the top level of probate, which is called general administration, that's for all estates over $500,000, for sure they're probably going to charge you statutory fees. That's the going rate. And again, that is a percentage of the estate's value. So the higher the value of the probate, the higher the fees are, which makes sense because in probate, the higher values, you're going to have more to do. The lawyer is going to do more and it's going to take longer to get through. If you want to talk about probate, feel free to call my office or go online to my website and you can schedule a call with me directly there. My name is Sarah Ocampo at Ocampo Wiseman Law in Las Vegas, Nevada.